Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to create a Facebook page custom URL. So you have to go to the Facebook page first. Make sure you are on your Facebook page, not your regular Facebook account. Okay, how you can check this? You have to click on top right corner this profile icon or account. Then you'll find here your Facebook page name and your Facebook regular account name. You have to click on your Facebook page name. Then it will switch to your Facebook page from your regular Facebook account. After coming to Facebook page account, you have to click on the here, which is top left corner, your Facebook page name. Then you have to click on settings. Now scroll down till you find page setup. Click on page setup. Now you have to click on name, this option, the first option. Click on view, and then you'll find here username. If you want to change your custom username, you have to click on edit, and then you can add your username here in small character, not capital. Okay, add your username here, no space, all should be normal. Okay, you can add your username here and click on save changes. After clicking on save changes, your username will be changed. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.